In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable if and. If you need to check multiple conditions in Airtable at the same time, combining if with and is a simple and powerful way to do it. This is especially useful when you only want a certain result to appear if more than one requirement is met. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set that up clearly so you can apply it to your own table with confidence. Start by opening the Airtable table where you need multiple conditions. Make sure you're in the correct base and looking at the table that contains the fields you want to evaluate. Before building the formula, it helps to quickly identify which fields you'll be using because your formula needs to reference them exactly as they appear in Airtable. Next, add a formula field. To do that, create a new field and choose the formula field type. This is where you'll write the expression that tells Airtable what to check and what result to return. Formula fields are great because they update automatically as your records change. So once this is set up, Airtable will keep evaluating the logic for you. Now use AND when more than one condition must be true. That's the key idea here. The AND function only returns true when every condition inside it is true. If even one condition fails, the whole AND statement becomes false. This makes it perfect for cases where several requirements need to be met together. Then combine it with an if formula using this structure. If and condition 1, condition 2. Result if true, result if false. Think of if as the decision maker and as the condition checker. The if formula asks whether the AND statement is true. If it is, Airtable shows one result. If it isn't, Airtable shows another. Add your conditions such as status equals done and priority equals high. In practice, that means your formula checks whether the status field contains done and whether the priority field contains high at the same time. Be careful with spelling, capitalization, and field names because Airtable formulas need those details to match correctly. After that, test the result to make sure the formula returns what you expect. Look at a few records that should pass the conditions and a few that should not. This is the best way to confirm your logic is working properly and to catch any small formatting mistakes. Finally, save the formula field and review all your records. Once it's saved, Airtable will apply the formula across the table so you can quickly see which records meet both conditions. That's how to use if and AND together in Airtable in a clean, reliable way.